Alright guys, so today I am working on these two, the STX 12F and 15F, replacing a steering cable on one and the reverse cable on the other. It's a really similar process, and it doesn't matter, reverse cable, steering cable on either one is going to be the same thing. So just to get started, there used to be a video on YouTube on this and I just couldn't find it, so I had to work through it myself again here, but I'm going to post this in case anyone else needs it. But right here, you just got to take out this little hatch in the front. It's just a few Phillips head screws there. So that guy comes out. You got to do that. I mean, you can try and access it from the front hatch. It's not going to go well for you. So it's definitely worth it to take that out. And then in here, this is my new steering cable, but your old one will be attached. You can see this thing right here, and this is key, and because I didn't realize this when I first started this, but this there's a little sleeve on this. It pulls down and then this will come right off. There's a ball joint there, and this, it's hard, kind of hard one-handed, but if you pull this down, you can see the ball joint goes in there and then locks in. So you screw this onto your steering cable here. Yeah, you get it. This part's threaded right here. Screw this guy on and then boom, reattach. Okay, so that's the front end. After you remove that, it's good to grab this guy and your old one and zip tie or whatever you want to do, duct tape the back end of your new one to this, so that way when you pull it through, it's nice and easy. Comes out the back. So on the back side here, let me grab the flashlight. On the back side here, it's worth it to take this off, and basically it's a bunch of nuts there, and they're Allen wrench size 5, and basically you just take them all out underneath here. There's a bunch of them, and that's going to help you get access to the things that you need to get access to, which are here's your steering cable. This one's disconnected right now. There's a little hex bolt that goes right there, and then the back side of your reverse cable here, and this thing was an absolute bear for me because it was really corroded. Let's see if I can show you, but I had to get some just rust dissolver here, and also some of the WD-40 rust release penetrant, and let it had to simmer for a while, and I ended up getting just a flathead screwdriver and kind of just having to hammer that sleeve back, and it's hard to see, but hope you can see. It's the same sleeve that was in the front. It's just this little ball joint on the back with the sleeve, but this one rusted as heck, obviously sitting in the salt water quite a bit. So anyway, so detach both of those. I've already got this one off, so boom, there. And then let me show you this here. I have this pretty much removed. Just got to loosen this guy up, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the inside once this is down. go. Now this whole piece, everything's disconnected, down to there, and then here's your access. So this is where you need to get at. This is a steering cable here, and it goes straight back and attaches back there. And you need this tool right here in order to get at it. This nut right here is some weird thing, and you can't turn that thing unless you get this tool. You got to get in there. It's like a foot or so long, foot and whatever. I got this extended piece right here. It is a 1/16. And that guy goes on this side here. Boom. And then 1/2-inch breaker bar. Boom, right there. And then you're coming back in up here. You're going here, getting that nut, and loosen that sucker up. Get it out. And then what you've got here is you'll be removing this piece. Count your turns just to see if you know how many it is. That way you put it back on the same amount so your steering is right. And then you've got nut. You've got C washer right there, and it falls in this little. Let me show you. There's a groove. Hopefully you can see it right there. That groove. So it goes from front to back. Rubber washer, metal washer, C clamp, not really a clamp, just C washer I guess, and then nut right there. So that's how it goes back together. You'll get that guy in, you'll tighten it down, connect this guy back up, reattach here, then you'll connect this guy back up, and then we'll need to go around the front and just connect that stuff back up. So this guy, again, connecting to this piece, boom, and then putting it on the ball joint right there, and then you're good to go. So hopefully that helps someone else out. If not, it'll help me out next time. Next time I need to do this. So have fun, guys. Bye.